Okay guys, let me continue our video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to place column, structural column into the model. Okay, currently we are working in floor plans level 0, and then we will place column at the grid intersections and then do some modification. Structure column is located under the structure, and you can select column here, and then the shortcut key is CL. Press this button, and then currently under the properties window, we only have one size of column, 305, 305, and 7. So you can add another type of UC column by press this load family. So currently we are under the structural foundation. We moved the folder. We move our windows to the upper folder, and then the column is located under the structural column. Double click structural column, then select the materials. We are going to use the steel. Double click the steel, and we have here UB, UC, and so on and so forth. So let me select the UC universal column .rfa Revit family, and then press open button. So you can select not only a single member or single type of column, so you can select several numbers of column. Let me select the 203 or 152, 37, and then press and hold control button on your keyboard, then select the other type 5, and currently we have 305, 305, 97. So you can select a bigger section and press OK. So on the properties window, the selected type of column already listed here. So let me use the 203, 60 UC universal column. Okay, then you can see here currently the column will be placed by depth. So it will be placed 2000 millimeter depth at any location. So we select the height because we want to place the column from level 0 to upper level of the floor plans. So the height, and then here the column will be placed to the height in the dimension of 2500 millimeter. So, and then the status is unconnected. So if you want to connect the column from level 0 to level 1 or to level 3 or level 2, so you can select this one. So let me start with connecting the column from level 0 to level 1. So automatically the height of the column inactivated. Okay, and then you can see there the sign of column. You can place anywhere inside the working drawing, but we want to place the column at the intersection of the grid. So we select the add grid button, and then select all the grid. You can see the temporary column already placed there, and then to finish, you press the finish button. Then to release the placement of the column, press escape button. Okay, so let me view our model in 3D view mode. All the column already placed. Then if you want to rotate the view, press shift button and hold it, and then press the third button on the mouse and hold it as well, and then you rotate. Okay, third button is the roller button. To pan the view, press the third button or the roller button on your mouse and hold it, and then pan it to the left, to the right, to the top, and so on and so forth. Press home button here, it will show you in the 45-degree isometric view. Okay, let me do some modification. You can do modification in the 3D view model or 3D view mode as well. So we select the column here. You can see here the column colors. The column's color change to blue. So it means you want to do something on this column. Okay, and then under the property, so you can see the column is located in level 0, base level, and base offset 0, and then top level 1. So let me change the interior column, this 4 interior column, make it bigger, and then connect it to the top most level that we have, level 3. How to do it? You can select one by one by press the control button and hold it. Plus sign will appear on next to the cursor, so it's selected. I can do like that. Let me continue. So the 4 columns, the 4 interior columns are already selected. Then we can change the do some modification. Here we want to change the top level from level 1 to level 3, then apply. So then become longer, and then you want to change the size of the column to the bigger one. To select from the property, select other type of the column, 254, 254, and 167 you see. So you can see that the column size will be bigger. Top side view, you can see column will be bigger. If you want to rotate the column, you can do add the placement early, or you can modify by select the column, and then under the modify set of command, you select rotate. So this is starting point, and you rotate 90 degree. So the column will be rotated 90 degree. So can do it one by one. Like that. 90 degree. Let me change as well here to 90 degree. Here as well. Rotate. Done. Let me return back to the level 0 view. And this is the column that we already created. Okay, that's all for this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we already learned how to place and do some modification to column. Thank you for your attention.